there's been a lot of talk on the old YouTube here, on our various different channels, that the Hercules batteries can work in this 1007 and some other DeWalt tools. Now, I've known this for a couple of months now, that they are actually compatible in some tools and not others, but I was always scared to try it because I didn't want to fry my $350 tool, and this is one of my favorite drills. But I guess for the sake of science, let's see if the drill is stronger with a DeWalt XR 21700 cell battery or stronger with the Hercules 21700 cell battery. And if this doesn't prove that Harbor Freight just literally takes an already great tool brand or tool and gives it to a manufacturer and said, here, just copy this, just change the colors in the name, then I don't know what will ever prove it to these Harbor Freight fanboys. Even though I am a Hercules fan, and I do shop at Harbor Freight. But the truth, people, we're driving these 1/2 inch by 5 inch specs. Okay. Let's see. DeWalt battery up first, speed 3, drill mode. It's pretty quick. Let's see what the old Hercules does. Oh, by the way, they're both fully charged. They're both fully charged. Okay. Let's see if it's about the same time or if one of these batteries is better. I would have to say the tool definitely performed better, without even looking at the times, with the DeWalt battery. But, hey, if you're ever in a pinch and you don't want to spend $200 on a battery, because if your battery goes bad and you only want to spend $100, I guess it's an option. Let's see if it takes it out. Alright, there you see it. Eureka! Doesn't it look weird? Hercules on a DeWalt? I don't know if I could get used to that.